This is the first screen of our app. We have added Google as well as email sign in option. So let's first register ourselves with Google. I will select one of my account. Then after it will prompt me to the first screen of the app. Let's go to the profile section and add my profile here. I will select one of my emails. I will select my branch and semester. Then after I will fill my details here. And after I can click submit button. As you can see, I got my all details here. I can also edit my profile if I want. Then it is satisfactory, then I will click done. Let's head back to the home screen. As you can see, I got my today's lecture here.
Hello everyone, so this is the dashboard of our app, and we have designed the dashboard in such a way that it becomes very convenient for a student purpose, such as they cannot miss important updates, deadlines, and they can stay updated on regular basis. As you can see, we have 4 sections here: announcements, attendance, assignments, and lectures. And we also have today's lecture section, in which lectures of the day are mentioned in a list, and student can easily join the lectures by clicking on the join button. In announcement section, student can easily check and stay updated on the official announcements given by the college authorities in detail. In attendance section, student can easily check and stay updated on their total attendance and subject-wise attendance on regular basis. As you can see, we have 5 subjects here, and attendance of the subjects are mentioned in the pie chart. In assignment section, student can easily download the assignment and they cannot miss the deadlines of the assignments. And in the lecture section, student of any branch and semester can easily check their lectures on weekly basis, and this data of the lectures is visible on the dashboard screen under today's lecture sections on daily basis.
Okay, here we have happening screen in the bottom, from where we get notification or information about all the events and other extracurriculum activities that are going to be happening in college premises in near future. Now comes to the gallery section. Here we can see the beautiful pictures like of college campus, scholars, and different other kinds of stuffs.
Let's come to the app drawer. Here you can find all the major hyperlinks that you may find useful. It contains university websites, fee payment links, study materials of the course you have subscribed to, and much more. Believe me, this app drawer is all the things that we may find difficult to search on the internet.